See if I can get this to sit up properly here. Oop, maybe. There we go. We're gonna use that. Hello, and welcome back. It's been a chaotic few months for us over here, but all good things mostly. A few injuries, but everybody's healing, so that's good. As I said in the video I posted, because I pre-recorded that a few weeks ago, my husband and I have moved. We've been in the process of moving for a little bit here, so we're still in limbo. But the holidays are still upon us, so I wanted to touch base and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I'm currently borrowing someone's kitchen, excuse me, to prep my Thanksgiving foods that I'm making this year. I'm on mashed potato duty, so that'll be fun. Like I say, my husband and I are kind of in limbo still, so we're having a less traditional Thanksgiving. We're getting together with people, which is the important part, but we were trying to think, okay, which of these foods can be pre-made or made ahead or not even fussed about, because it's very stressful to move. I don't know if you've known that. But, so we've been planning with our family to do a less traditional Thanksgiving, which still has a lot of the traditional Thanksgiving foods. Anyway, all of that to say, I wanted to check in and follow up on my last video. I'm really, really excited about the emotional support chickens. I think they're great stocking stuffers, and if you're into the farm chic, cottagecore, anything like that aesthetic for your house, I think they're an adorable little decoration. So I just love them. They make me ridiculously happy. I have to get video of us tossing them and having a chicken war though, because the emotional support chickens, ironically, are great for throwing. But they're so adorable. So those will be in the store by start of next week as you're looking at your stocking stuffers and everything, so keep that in mind. I think that's really all I've got for the moment. Like I say, we've been just busy with life things. I did want to read you part of Grandma Jerry's Advent in the Holidays at the McGee Ranch, because it pertains to today as we all get ready for our holiday season here. So this is the very beginning of Advent in the Holidays at McGee Ranch. So this is what Grandma Jerry writes, because it says, the beginning of Advent in our home. Although the Advent season actually begins on the fourth Sunday before Christmas, there are many things that are done before Thanksgiving to lead into the Advent season. The two holidays go together as there is so much baking and preparing of food for Thanksgiving, as well as Christmas letters to write and cards to mail between Thanksgiving and the first Sunday of Advent. If gifts are to be made, they are usually started before Thanksgiving in order to have them ready for Christmas. Traditionally, I have begun thinking in terms of all these things about November 1st, as Halloween is over and Thanksgiving is the next holiday before Christmas. This is the time to make the list of gifts for family members, lists of which muffins, cookies, cakes, and other baked goods that can go into the freezer for the Thanksgiving and Christmas brunches, snacks, desserts, and dinners on the special days and throughout the season. Suggestions for activities and recipes follow the Advent devotions in this book. So that's just her little tidbit about prepping for this whole winter season. And then she goes into the devotions for each week of Advent. But I thought that first part was very poignant in that we're all prepping to get all of our holiday stuff in order. And then as you get forward here, you've got some menus for breakfast brunch menu for Thanksgiving and Christmas. She's got suggested songs to sing as a family or at your Bible study, however you're following through in this book. And then, of course, all the amazing recipes that we used over the years to make the holiday special. So, I'm feeling nostalgic because I can't do Thanksgiving the way I'm used to, but also enjoying doing it a little different. But the nostalgia prompted the book. So, I wanted to talk to you all and say hello and happy Thanksgiving. I hope your holiday is beautiful and wonderful and full of joy. We'll talk to you later.